Today we're going to talk about how to change attachments on your loader. Now I'm using our Nesher L1400 loader, but this will be the same procedure for all of our different models. Now to start, you're going to hop up in your machine, turn it on. Also, it does help to have your attachments elevated just slightly. I've got them on some pallets here, that works great. This does work when you're down on the ground, but just having them up a tiny bit makes it easier to do the maneuvering. Now I've got the bucket on first here. I'm going to swap my bucket for the pallet forks. So I'll start by just putting my bucket down wherever I want to leave it. Here I'm going to put it onto this pallet. So I'll just get it even with the pallet, and then I'm going to move my quick hitch lever into the forwards position, and that's going to retract the pins. Now our pins are retracted, and I can dump the bucket or push that plate forward here by pushing my main joystick to the right. Now as I do this, it can be helpful to lower the boom down and you'll slip out of those hooks. Now that I'm clear of the hooks, I can reverse the machine and then line up with my forks. Now here it's going to be the same operation, just in reverse. I'm going to start by lowering my main pins here. I'm going to get them under the hooks on the attachment. So I'll just approach here. I'll line those up. Oh. There we go. And you can play with raising the boom and curling those pins back until you grab it like this. Now that we've got it picked up onto the hooks, we're going to tilt the entire plate, the entire attachment back towards us, and that is going to line up those quick hitch pins. Now that we've got our attachment set, I'm going to move the quick hitch joystick backwards, and that's going to engage those quick hitch pins. You can see how those quick hitch pins lined up in the attachment. And now we're all set, ready to go. At this point, our attachment is connected and we can do all of our operations with it. This was demonstrated with just simple attachments, no extra hydraulic functions, but if you have an attachment like the excavator, the auger, the bulldozer, those types of attachments with extra hydraulic functions, the last step will be to just connect those hydraulic lines via the couplers, but we'll demonstrate that in another video. If you want to learn more about these loaders, you can check us out online at nesherequipment.com.